Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Nutrifresh. Today I'm going to tell you all how to make peanut butter cookies. So let's get to making. Firstly, I'm going to preheat the oven on 160 degrees for 5 minutes. Till then, I'm going to tell you all the recipe of the mixture. For that, you will need a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of sugar, powdered sugar, and 1 egg. Crush 3 to 4 tablespoons of peanuts. Whisk well until all the ingredients get incorporated with each other. 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Scrape the edges using a spatula. Now you're going to check if the mixture doesn't stick on your hands, and then you're going to roll it to balls and then place them on the parchment paper. Now the next part that I'm going to do is totally optional. If you want to do it, you can, or you can skip it. What I did was I made a few patterns using a fork. That's totally optional again. Adding chocolate chips was also optional. These cookies are diet friendly, and you can make them within 5 minutes. And they're obviously one of my favorite types of cookies. I'm going to open the oven and I'm going to bake the cookies for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until the bottom changes to golden brown. Then I'm going to take them out from the oven. Then I'm going to let them cool down for a while. See, they're super moist from inside, and obviously the best cookies ever. I'm going to place the cookies inside the jar. That's pretty much it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Written recipes on my website. Follow my socials. Allah Hafiz.